Chetana Deshpande, and today I am here with you to take a simple Sanskrit grammar topic. I will not disclose the name of the topic. First of all, I will introduce that topic to you. So students, generally we get marks to answer the questions. But here we will get marks to frame a question. Right. So our topic today is Prashna Nirmanam Kuruta. Name of our topic is Prashna Nirmanam Kuruta. We get this topic for all boards. This is very easy and simple topic. We have to follow a few instructions to solve this question. In exam, we get the question Prashna Nirmanam Kuruta means frame a question in place of underlined word. Here we have to remember few things. Okay, so student, first one, if underlined word shows a place, that is sthana, we will write the question as kutra. We have to write kutra. Then if the underlined word shows time, that is samaya. So the question will be kada. We'll take some examples also. If underlined word shows a number, that is a sankhya. So the question will be kati. So students, these things are very easy. Okay. Then if given word is an adjective, that is visheshan. Visheshan or adjective is a word which gives extra information about a noun. So the question will be kidrushaha in pullinga, kidrushi in strilinga, and kidrusham in napusakalinga. Okay, so one more thing. Again, if given word is an adverb, that is kriya visheshan. Okay, kriya visheshan or adverb is a word which gives extra information about a verb or it is related to the verb. At that time, our question will be katham. And in the last, if the underlined word is not among all these conditions, तो क्या करेंगे? We have to consider linga, that is gender, vibhakti, that is case, and vachan, that is number of given word, that is underlined word. Okay, have you followed this? Very. So now let us take some examples related to this. So in the exam, question will be Prashna Nirmanam Kuruta. Okay, so let us see the first example. प्रयागक्षेत्रे तस्य राजधानी आसीत्. So here underlined word is Prayagakshetre. So now let us see the meaning of this sentence first. His capital was in Prayaga. Okay. So here the word Prayagakshetre shows place, that is sthana. So our question will be kutra. So see students how easy it is. Kutra tasya Rajadhani आसित. Okay, so this is the first example. Now let us see time, that is समय. प्रदोष काले काकः क्षेत्रम् आगतः. Okay, so meaning of this sentence is kakah, crow, came to the field in pradosha kala. Pradosha is evening, in the evening. So now here we can see evening conveys samaya. So our question will be kada. And our answer will be kada kakah kshetram agatah. So now let us see the third example. Number. Okay. So देवदत्तस्य गृहे षड्भृत्याः आसन्. Now here the meaning of this sentence is asan. There were 6 servants in Devadatta's house. So now here shad shows a number. So our question will be kati. And the whole sentence will be Devadattasya गृहे कति भृत्याः आसन. Okay, see students, here we have seen 3 examples: place, then time, and then number. Let us see example for Visheshana. Okay, Dhenuhu, that is cow, Vastaviki Asit. Now students, here the meaning is cow was real, Vastaviki. Here word Vastaviki is an adjective, that is Visheshan of the word Dhenu. Now here as the relation is Nam and Visheshan, we have to consider linga of given word. So here Dhenu is Strilinga. So Vastaviki is also in Strilinga. So we have to use Kidrushi in place of Vastaviki. So now the sentence will be Dhenuhu Kidrushi Asit. Okay, so students, these are the examples related to place, then samay, sankhya, and visheshan. Now we will see example for kriya visheshan and remaining words. Okay, so now let us see example for kriya visheshan, that is adverb. So see, prajaha पशुवत् जीवन्ति. Okay, so students, here meaning of the sentence is prajaha, that is subjects were living like pashu, that is like beasts or animals. Now here word pashuvat is related to kriyapad jivanti, so it is kriya visheshan. So our question will be katham. So our answer will be prajaha katham jivanti. Okay, so now we have considered all the possibilities of these questions, and if our underlined word is not from these 5 categories, we will have to consider linga, vibhakti, and vachan of given word. Let us take some examples for that. Okay. So here example is Gauhu mancham samagata. So underlined word is gau. So students, now see here gau, that is cow, is not a place, it is not a samay. So ये कुछ भी नहीं दिखा रहा है, number समय कुछ भी नहीं. So here we have to consider linga, vibhakti and vachan of gauhu. So here gauhu is strilinga, prathama ekvachan. So we have to use strilinga, prathama ekvachan of kim. So it is ka. So answer will be ka mancham samagata. Okay, so this is the example of our sixth condition. Okay, let us take one more example. Mata putrasya gunan kathayati. So here underlined word is putrasya. So now this word putrasya is pullinga shashti ekvachan. So we have to use pullinga shashti ekvachan of kim, and it is kasya. So our question is Mata kasya gunan kathayati. We'll take one more example. बीजेभ्यः अंकुराः udbhutaः. Okay, so again here बीजेभ्यः is napusakalinga panchami bahuvachan. So we will use napusakalinga panchami bahuvachan of kim, and it is kebhyah. So our question is kebhyah ankuraha udbhutaha. Okay, that's all. Students, here is our question Prashna Nirmanam Kuruta, and I hope you have understood all the possibilities to frame a question, and here we have taken few examples for that question. Okay, so thank you very much, students.